What's up, everyone? It's Squatch Trades coming at you with a trade recap. I wanted to start just with what I look for whenever I'm coming in to look for a trade. So this is NQ, the micro MNQ, in current price action from Thursday. So right now I'm trading the Asia session. So coming into today's session, this is what I would look for. So if we look at current price action here on the 1 minute chart, or sorry, the 1 hour chart, we can look over here and we can see what happened. We had price take out a low and then run bullish. Put in a high here, went back bearish, hit this opening week fair value gap, returned bullish from there, failed to take out this high. So what I'm seeing here is anytime price takes out a low and price continues in the opposite direction, we have built liquidity below those lows. We also have engineered liquidity here. So we know we have liquidity resting below. So what we have here is a draw on liquidity, our DOL, to take a trade into. So same thing here, high respected a high. So we have liquidity above the highs here as well. So as a second draw on liquidity, we have one up here. So obviously, next step, I look for the current trend. We're obviously in a bearish trend. So we can zoom in and go down to the 15-minute chart. So now what we can see is we had price in the Asia session the night prior, ride higher. We took out highs from the left, basically respected these highs from over here, you can see, and then went back bearish. Now, what we can see here is we respected the lows on the left, as well as the low here that we've called our draw on liquidity, and then returned bullish from there. Now, what this actually was an SMT divergence with ES. So we had a bullish SMT with ES where ES took this prior day low and NQ did not. And continued running higher, creating more engineered liquidity below these lows here. So if we play price action out, come into the 5-minute chart, I trade on the 5-minute chart. Let's see what we do coming in to the Asia session. All right, so let's just stop there. What do we see happen? We had a low, higher, high, higher, low, higher, high, higher, low, higher, high. Okay, so we're still running bullish. Now we've taken out this low and created a lower low. So we're going to continue playing price out. There we see price fails to take out this high, confirming once more we are ready to return bearish. So now what I look for is this right here. So after we take out this low and create a break of structure, I'm officially interested in taking a trade. So my strategy is from here, as far as entry goes, we're going to be looking for a supply zone to be tapped. So with this break of structure, we look to the left, the next green candle. And this is our supply zone. And so my entry model is take the trade at the tap. So here, what we'll be doing is taking a sell. We put a stop loss just above the zone. And then for take profit, of course, this is personal preference, whatever you want to do. We could go TP to the draw on liquidity, or we could take it at this low here. We could take it at this low. We could even just take it at this low here. With that making us a already nice trade. Maybe looking at a 2.8 hour trade, a 5, 10, all the way down here to the 12-hour trade. It's a pretty good trade, wherever you feel comfortable taking it. I feel very confident with this draw on liquidity, so I would look to just take it to that low. And then we can play price action out. So as long as we don't break above this high, we are confirming lower lows, lower highs, and have all of this liquidity to the left, as well as we discussed that liquidity that was engineered just above this low as well. So let's play price action out. There you have it. $2,500. That happened from 8:25 p.m. Central to 10 p.m. So in 2 hours, $2,500 made. Not a bad day in the market. And that was with 3 micro contracts. So that is the way I would attack this trade in this market. And hope that helped. Love to answer any questions. If you have them in the comments, drop them below. And looking forward to the next video.